In most cases, you can remain in your home during installation, but we'll clearly communicate which areas are inaccessible each day during installation, so you can plan accordingly. Some homeowners choose to stay elsewhere for a portion of the work, especially during hardwood floor refinishing, hardwood floor installation, tile installation, but that's a personal choice, not a requirement. There will be noise and dust, especially during removal and subfloor preparation. Tools, saws, and sanding equipment are all part of the process of doing the job correctly. We'll let you know ahead of time when the loudest phases will occur, so there are no surprises. Safety is something we take very seriously during installation. We keep our work zones clearly defined, secure tools and materials, and at the end of each day, remove sharp debris and fasteners. We maintain clean walk paths when possible. We do ask that pets be secured away from work areas and children avoid active installation zones. Each night, our team leaves the space safe and orderly as possible before heading out. Come visit us here at Floor Concepts or reach out to us at floorconcepts.com. We'd love to help you out.